Hello guys, we are here at Kohat Enclave metro station and heading towards Britania Flyover. Follow us for more videos from each part of Delhi. Enjoy the tour and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. We will show you different parts of Delhi and remember to follow traffic rules. Following traffic rules will have lots of benefits. The only and most important benefit is it will avoid traffic jam. You know, Delhi is a crowded city, so if you don't follow traffic rule, we will cause more traffic jams and we will waste times. We will reach our destinations, which is a 10-minute destination. We will reach it within 1 hour and 2 hours. So remember, always follow traffic rules and avoid stopping, halting in unnecessary locations. We are now at NSP, Netaji Subhash Place, and there are two biggest malls here. One is the Elegante, and another is the Pacific Mall. So both are side and side. On the left side, you can see that's the entry of the Elegante. On the left side, that's the entry gate. And the next one is the NSP Pacific Mall. You can see that is on the left side too. It's the biggest mall. So now we are heading towards the Britania Flyover. Follow us, guys, and enjoy the journey. Stay with us and enjoy this. This is Shakurpur metro station, and on the right side, and this is Britania Flyover. So we have reached the destination. Thank you for watching us. Please support with your is the flyover. Thank you guys.